I still hear you. No, okay. I barely hear you. Okay. I doubt the camera can hear that. Today I'm going to be doing a reference that I'm not going to be saying the right words. It's not going to be bad words, but it's going to be epic. Attention everyone, stop what you're doing and listen. I'd like to make a very important announcement. Cannonball! Okay, that wasn't good. No. That wasn't good. Retry that. Attention everyone, stop what you're doing and listen. I have a very horrifying news story to make. Stop what you're doing and listen. Cannonball! Oh! That wasn't the right cannonball. That's not what I meant. Ah! Yeah. By the way, I have asthma. I had no shirt on, so I had trouble getting a shirt, but I finally found a shirt. Because I had no shirt on before this video. Attention everyone, I'd like to make a very important announcement. Stop, everybody, stop what you're doing and listen. I have a horrifying news story. Stop what you're doing and listen. Cannonball! Okay. No. My pants almost fell off when I did that. Ow! Attention everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. I have a horrifying news story. So everyone, stop what you're doing and listen. Cannonball! Ah! I actually did this in class once. Today, I'm like, attention everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. Cannonball! I'm not on a trampoline right now. It seems I could. Oh! Ah! It's a bed. My bunk bed. Can't see the other bed. Made so you can't see it. Because, yeah. I made a video on it before, but that was before there was things that can make you jealous. Now that when I was there, my hair's burning to death. Ah! Hi. Attention everyone, like I make a very important announcement. It's a horrifying news story. Everyone stop what you're doing and listen. Cannonball! Okay, wasn't it? Since it's hard to say all the words, I'm just going to be doing like, attention everyone, I have a very important announcement. I'm just going to be saying that. Attention everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. Cannonball! Okay. That was almost a cannonball. Attention everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. Cannonball! Ah! Okay, that hurt my foot. Retry that. Oh, and today, I'm a little dizzy. Wanna know why? Because in class there at recess, Aiden was running after me, I was running, and he crashed into me, I'm like, oh! Face planted into the grass. Bam! And it was less painful than you thought. I barely dropped a tear, but I did. Just a couple. I fighted through it and fought through it. And I won. Dumb tears. Let's just kick that tear in the face. Okay. Attention everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. Cannonball! Ah! Okay. I'm not going to stop it. I'm just going to move it here. But I feel like here, it's not enough space. It's going to fall and then you'll be jealous. So let's just put it back right here. I'm thinking of what to do. Could I put it here? I can put it here. This is a perfect place to do it. Here, review, I just made a brighter. Attention everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. Cannonball! Ah! And by the way, I probably told this in the beginning of the video. This is reverence. Everyone, I have a very important announcement to make. Cannonball! Okay. Bye, subscribe. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed and like it.